kidding me? Well, you deserved that. Don't tell me that was... Yeah, my soup just fell on the floor. I hope it did not... You better pray to God it didn't spill. Red light runner. That lane ends right there. Jeez. Really? Whoa. Ran the red. Pulls that stunt. Alright, it's just going straight. Wait, hold on. Did he just do what I'm thinking he's doing? Yeah. Shit, what an asshole. Oh, oh, oh! What? No. Round and round and... That's a douchebag move. Oh, what? Hey, why do people do that? Wait, that's right turn only. Really? Get all the way in there. Good job. Oh, whoa, shit! Holy fuck! I hate the city. What are you doing? They both lanes go to the same place. What are you doing? And a last second exit. You can't exit there. Passenger cars only. You can't exit there. Whoa! Careful, man.
Harvey Danger was formed in 1992 in Seattle by a bunch of students at University of Washington. They are lead singer Sean Nelson, guitarist Jeff Lee, bassist Aaron Huffman.
Can't do that. Yup. What's the point of doing that? Whoa, whoa! Wow. Jesus Christ. Oh, what an idiot up there. What was that? Julius? Oh, that was a cop. Nice. It's a justice clip for something. Nope. Oh, don't tell me the bus is not going to move over. Of course. Pick a lane and stick with it. Gets to where you're going a lot quicker.
$10 extra per ride, and some people say it capped out at $20 per ride. Which shows again that it's just really out to screw you on that. In fact, let me show.
Oh yeah, the blinker helps. Just want to let you know.
Because it's with the surge multiplier. You have the multiplier.
Douchebag.
The earnings are way, way better.
Wow, last second exit up there. Make up your mind, we're gonna get to the people are nuts. Wait, no, I can't do that. No, I can't do that either. It's no left turn. Red light runner. Red light runner. You red light runner. Oh shit. Why would you do that?
What we have here is a Sony Watchman. And
Red lights, runner.
Dead.
There was later a lawsuit between the Cabbage Patch Kids
Why
and
you
the Garbage
stopped?
Pail
It
Kids
looks like you
parties
got your own
involving
lane.
more copyright issues. The Garbage Pail people said it was a parody, therefore not
Yeah, but
violating any laws.
you got your own
Cabbage
lane.
Patch people said they were just using
their brains to make money. The judge sided with the Cabbage Patch people and ordered that the Garbage Pail Kids be drawn in a different way. But the design changes combined with the decreasing popularity of the original Cabbage Patch Kids led to the Garbage Pail brand to fail right around the same time. But then it came back in 2003, and just like in the 1980s, we have both the original and the parody if you want them. It's just that not as many people want them. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on the Cabbage Patch Kids. I'm guessing most of the people watching this aren't running out to buy one of these, but I'm hoping you at least understand the